Hi guys, this is Rich from Rich Picks Daily, and I wanted to bring to you a pick that's been on fire all week. Martello Technologies, symbol is MTLO. They've been absolutely on fire. They ran from 18 cents to over 60 cents this week after Bruce Linton was fired, the ex-founder of Canopy Growth. He got terminated from his own company and started focusing on Martello Technologies, was wearing the t-shirt while he was doing his exit interviews. The stock has exploded. MTLO is the symbol in Canada, up from 18 cents, now at up over 200% since he was wearing the shirt, and the symbol in America is DRKOF. Martello Technologies Corp in America, symbol DRKOF. Here it is right here at 42.5 cents, up 181% on the day. Keep them on your radar, keep them on your watch list. This is Rich from Rich Picks Daily, and I'm out. Go to our website, richpicksdaily.com. Take a look at our picks. Every single day, whenever there's any picks that are moving, we'll let you know here. Go to Rich Picks Daily, sign up for alerts, sign up to us, and subscribe on YouTube. Hit the like button, share the video everywhere. New website, richpicksdaily.com. We bring you winners, and we bring them to you first. This is your boy Rich from richpicksdaily.com. We'll see you soon.